Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and click on Open. Now choose while using the app, then Allow, and finally click Home button. Over here you need to access settings again, choose Apps and tap on Default Apps. Then click on Home app and tap on iOS Launcher. After that, select, got it, and as you can see, app layout was applied successfully on my Android. If you wish to switch between them, you can do that by going into the same Default App settings over here and tapping on Moto App Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!